So they said that this would have a maximum depth of cut like 4 5/8 of an inch. And you can see there I've got it dropped down where the blade is extended through the base plate. That's the release for the guard. The guard then folds back to expose the blade. And my tabletop here is 1.5 inches plus 3.5, about 5 inches total depth. You can see that that would almost reach all the way through. So once again, that's the BP-1 vertical chainsaw carpentry saw. Chances are you won't see another one.